Hello guys, in this video I'll try to discuss another topic. As I already told you in my previous video, we'll be trying to discuss like try, except, else with finally keyword. Okay, so let me show you the same example. So I'll copy this particular example as it is and I'll just try to paste it here. See, inside Python exception handling, there is another keyword actually you can use, which is called finally. Okay, finally, inside that you can write any kinds of code. Let's say I'll just write very important code. Okay, let's say this is the message I want to show. So what will happen, see, if I execute the program, this will work fine. Okay, this will work fine. You can see this particular file is already present inside my files. Okay, files folder. See, it is printing the content what is available inside sample.txt, and again you can see it is printing very important code. That means it is also executing the final statement. That means what will happen, whatever you are let's say writing, okay, whatever you are writing, let's say try, except, else, whatever condition you are writing, it's completely fine. So finally will be executed. Okay, finally will execute it whenever you will execute your code. It doesn't matter there is any error or not. Okay, there is any error or not, or let's say it is working fine or not. This particular, let's say, statement will work. So this particular statement will run always. Okay, see, if I do the mistake, let's say if I'm trying to open sample 9, it is not available. If I execute, it will give you file not error, and you can see finally is executing again. That means it doesn't matter if there is any error or not, this particular statement would be running always. Okay, this is the idea. Now you can ask me what is the use of that. Okay, why we can use this particular final statement. See, whenever you will be creating real-time application, let's say we're talking about Facebook application. Let's say, I think you know Facebook will be connected with the database. Okay, because all the information they will save in the database. Now let's say there is a condition, Facebook will get down. Okay, or let's say Facebook will get hang. Okay, or let's say Facebook will get hack actually. So what will happens, as a programmer you have to write one logic. So whenever actually it will get let's say down, or let's say it will get hacked, you have to write one logic. Your database connection would be closed. Okay, as soon as possible your database connection would be closed. Now let's say if your code is breaking here. Okay, let's see if your code is breaking here. So definitely you can't close your let's say database connection. So what you can do, you can write that particular code inside the finally statement. Okay, inside the finally keyword. Then what will happen, if there is any execution error from your code, this code will run. If this particular code is running fine, this code will run. That means there is a condition, you have to write a program. If your code is also breaking, you have to write a very important code which is necessary for your application. So those code actually will be writing in the finally keyword. I hope it is clear now, right? So that's how actually we can use this particular finally keyword with the help of try, except, and else. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now inside Python exception, there is another topic left. I will try to show you in the next video, which is nothing but raise exception. Okay, we can also use raise exception, and it is again a super important topic inside exception handling. So let's connect in our next video and try to understand this topic as well.